Hey there! Welcome back to Security Rex. Today we're taking a deep dive into the wild, wild west of application security with Burp Suite. Yeehaw! That was not funny. Buckle up, because we're going hacking. We're going to explore how to find web application vulnerabilities like a seasoned pro. Did you know that nearly 90% of web applications have some sort of vulnerability? Yikes. That's why tools like Burp Suite are a must-have in your cybersecurity arsenal. You want to find the vulnerabilities in your servers before the bad guys do. Burp Suite is a free and powerful platform for web application security testing. It can help you identify hidden weaknesses within your web apps and identify potential cyber threats. Web apps are constantly targeted by hackers. We're talking SQL injections that steal your data, cross-site scripting attacks that inject malicious code, and cross-site request forgery attacks that trick users into doing their dirty work. So let's get down to business. To set up Burp Suite, head over to portswagger.net and download the free community edition. Alright, with Burp Suite running, let's fire up a sample web application. Make sure to use a safe testing environment. Now to see the magic happen. Open Burp Suite and navigate to the Intercept tab. Trust me, this is where things get interesting. Go ahead and click it and watch the real-time traffic flow between your browser and the web app appear in Burp Suite. Now we're basically eavesdropping on the conversation. Now fire up the intruder tool. This bad boy allows us to manipulate data packets and see how the website would react. Let's say we suspect a possible cross-site scripting vulnerability. With the intruder tool, we can craft a special message containing malicious code and see if the web app accepts it. If it does, well, that's a vulnerability we need to patch. Now, don't try this on real websites, you might end up in trouble. But let's see what happens when we exploit this vulnerability. And there you have it. That's the danger of a web application vulnerability. By exploiting it, we could potentially steal customer data, redirect users, or cause all sorts of mayhem. So the key takeaway? Web application security is serious business. And Burp Suite is your best friend in the fight against cyber threats. If you enjoyed our little hacking adventure, smash the like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity and offensive security content. You got any questions about Burp Suite or want to see any other web application security tools? Leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy hacking!